Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your landing page or your website or your lead magnet with people so they can join your list or check out your offers and services. So once you have built your website, you need to grab the URL, and that URL or that link is what you would post on social media, whether it's on TikTok or Instagram link in the bio, or send it on Messenger to somebody, or email it in an email. And I'm going to show you how to grab that link and make sure you get the right link. So I am now in my System.io account. Now you're going to go to funnels, and I want to make sure that you understand what a link is. A link or a URL is what you see right here. Now this is not the correct link to share. I'm just showing you this thing right here, which you see in the bar, in the browser, in the bar right here, this thing. This is a URL or a link. This is what you share, but not this specific one. I'll show you where to get the right one. So first of all, you'll notice here, and this is a confusion a lot of people have, when you hover over funnels and you hover over here and you click on share, this is not the correct one to share. Do not use this. This you only share in a different scenario, which I will do in a different video. This is not the one you share with your customers. What you want to do is you want to click inside the funnel, and you'll see there is different pages. Every one of these pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every one of these is a different URL. So if you click on this one, you will notice that this is different to this. So you're going to see a different one for each. Now, you will notice that this one says squeeze page. In this case, if you want to see how this link looks like or how this page looks like, you would click on view funnel step. Now, when you click on that, you're going to notice this URL right here, this link, members.comfuse.com/9-email-tips-pdf-fewcdah92 R3H91. Now, this is the link right here. You highlight it, and then you can right click on copy, and then you can share and email this to somebody. Now, there's an easy way to find that link is you see it right here. You will see that what I just read out is matching this. So you see this is the same one, ends with 91, like so. This is the same one. You can actually just click on this thing right here, and with this, you're going to message it to somebody. So you can open your email account, you can send it on Messenger, whatever you want to do. You click on this, and then when you open it up, you will see that it goes to the same link, the same page. Now, there is a couple of variables that you will notice. First of all, if you were to click here and share it, that should work just fine. If you were to then change the URL and share it, then it's going to be different. Meaning, let's just do a demonstration. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to paste this right here. And then I'm going to go back to the funnel. I'm going to delete 91. I'm just going to delete the 1, and I'll click somewhere around here, and you'll see this checkbox that it will basically save. I'm now going to click on this again, and you will see it will go to an error page because there is this number 1. If I remove this number 1 from the URL and click enter, now you will see that the page is going to be visible again. So just one tiny change is going to make a big difference. I'm going to bring it back to what it was. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to refresh, and you're going to notice it's going to be an error page again. So now I'm going to add the number 1 once more, and now it's going to be visible just fine the way I want it to be. Let's refresh. There you go. Okay, so that's that. So this is really important. Now, there is some pages when you are testing that are not going to be visible. For example, if you were to click on this upsell page, and you're going to click here, and you're going to go and try and paste it in, this page is actually not going to be visible. And the reason that is because this upsell page is only visible when somebody makes a purchase. So you will notice that if you were to click on this upsell page and you were to go to the editor, this is the actual page that you're going to see. Now, if you want to preview to see what this looks like, you will need to click on this button called the I button. You're going to click on it, and then this will pop up. But you will notice that this URL right here has the word question mark and then preview, like so. That is why you are able to see this page. Otherwise, you will not be able to see it. So if I was to delete this section, click on enter, you will notice that it automatically takes me to the beginning of that funnel, which is exactly what you want it to be set up. So if you're testing an upsell or downsell pages, you're not going to be able to see them unless you go into the editor. Upsell, downsell, you're not going to be able to see those. Order form, this is the page that you are seeing right here. Now, with this page, with whatever you want to share on social media, typically is either a squeeze page or an order form or a sales page. That's the one you want to share. Now that you learned how to grab the link correctly, you might be wondering, what do you do with that link? So what you want to do is you want to click on this and you'll see it will say copy to clipboard. Now let's go to Facebook and you will see my Facebook profile right here, my personal profile. There's a couple of things. If you have a banner like I have, you can click on the banner and then you will leave it as a comment right here. Now, in my case, I have a different URL because this is the URL that I'm telling people to go to. But in your case, you will just leave it as a comment of the picture. So that's one thing you're going to do. The second thing you're going to do is if you go to edit bio right here, you're going to be able to customize this text. So in my case, I'm going to say digital nomad currently, and I'm going to change the name to Indonesia because I'm currently in Bali. Get the flag, and there you go. Then I'm going to click here. I'm going to be able to click on save. And then when I say DM to chat or click, you will see this thing right here. Now to replace this, I'm going to click on edit details. And you will notice if I was to update this, I can scroll down a little bit. And you see there on the websites, you can click right here and you can add websites. So I'm going to click here again. And this is one website. I'm going to add another website and I'm going to paste in that URL. And I can add as many websites as I want. I typically recommend to just have one website. So I'm just going to leave it like so. Click on save, and that's that. You will also notice that my YouTube is linked, and I don't necessarily recommend you have to do any of that. It just in my case, I do have that done because I want to have that done because I want people to go to my YouTube channel. So when they click on this, it will actually go to my YouTube channel as well. So I want to drive people to my YouTube. I want to drive traffic to my lead magnet. That's pretty much what I want to send people to. With Instagram, you could do the same thing. You can click on edit profile. And again, you will have the option. You see where I say click right here. And also I can actually change the link that is included, which is this one, okay? So now it says here, editing your links is only available on mobile. Visit the Instagram app and edit your profile to change the website link in bio. So this is something that you would do from your phone. Now I'm going to show you how to do that using blogs, because in some cases you may have been using the blog feature to create your website. So I'm going to go to one of my websites /blogs, and we're going to go to this one, .com Truths blog newsletter. Now you will notice a couple of things. Again, if you click on this share, that is the wrong link. Do not use it. So what you want to do is you want to click here, and then you've got individual blog posts. So what you can do to share these, you would click on view if you want to share a specific blog post. And then you can copy this URL right here and share this with people. That's how you share a blog post. Now, if you want to share specific blog pages from your website, you simply have to hover here and then you can click on this button, this clipboard icon. And then again, you would basically paste it right here, click on enter, and it will take you to the correct page. So pages is these ones. Posts, you will need to click on the view, and then you'll be able to share the specific post. Now, you will notice also that in some cases, you see here where it says view, it actually takes you and it still shows you this preview thing, right? Like so. So you're going to want to delete all of this. Now, the reason it's showing that is because this is actually a draft. This is inactive. So you will see this preview when it's a draft. Now, if I was to delete this preview and click on enter, you will see that it's going to go to an error page because this page or this blog post is not actually visible because the status is inactive. So if it says active like so, and you click on view, you'll be able to share it. Now, if you want to share it with somebody to review it, for example, like something that's not published, even if you share the preview link, it's just not going to work. So they have to actually see your account inside as the admin to be able to get access to this, to be able to view those individual pages that are not published. Okay, so that's how you share a page, blog post, and also funnels. If you found this video helpful, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment with the word value if this was helpful. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and let me know if you have any additional questions for me about System.io. Leave a comment below. I will do my best to answer those. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.